Trick to remember the continents of the world. So remember the word NASA. Each letter will show continent name and number of countries present in these continents. First of all, E shows Europe, and there are 51 countries in this. N shows North America, and it has 23 countries. A shows Asia, and there are 50 number of countries. And next A shows Africa, and there are 54 countries. And S shows South America, and there are about 12 countries. A shows Australia, and it has 14 number of countries. And last A shows Antarctica, and there are no number of countries.